When you're looking to measure the adoption of a design system, one of the most important things is being able to identify which components have been detached. And now, that's possible with SystemUp. If you're not familiar with SystemUp, it's a solution that helps you measure how well your design system is being adopted. Here I'm going to measure this screen, and we can see that I'm currently at 57%. I have various components here. For example, my header, which is correctly sourced from my design systems library. Now, if I detach this component and remeasure the screen, we can now see that there's one detached component. If I look into the details, it correctly identifies the header, and I can focus on it directly. Now, let's say I have local components or ones coming from other libraries. For instance, I'm going to import this component into my screen. If I detach it here and rerun the measurement, I still have only one detached component. That's because SystemUp specifically detects detached components that come from the design system library I've defined beforehand. This way, you can be confident you're identifying only the relevant detached components from your design system. For example, if I now detach this button component and run another measurement, now I have two detached components. I can review each one. Here's the button that was detached, and here's the header. So with SystemUp, beyond measuring adoption rates, you can also detect detached components and fix them quickly. If you want to get started, head over to systemup.io